Hello dear students, my name is Rupali Jinturkar, working as Assistant Professor in Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. Today we are going to learn about aldehydes and ketones, the reactions of carbonyl compounds. Generally, these aldehydes and ketones are the carbonyl compounds undergo easily nucleophilic addition reactions. The carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, governs the chemistry of aldehyde and ketones. So basically, this carbonyl group, that is C double bond O, is composed of carbon and oxygen, out of which oxygen is much more electronegative as compared to carbon. So it will always try to attract electron pairs towards itself, and hence the oxygen of carbonyl group is always partially negatively charged, and carbonyl carbon is always partially positively charged. And we know that the nucleophile means electron rich species. So these nucleophiles are always going to attack on carbonyl carbon, which is electron deficient in nature. And again, the chemistry of aldehyde and ketone is by increasing the acidity of hydrogen atoms attached to the alpha carbon. Both these effects are due to the ability of oxygen to accommodate a negative charge on it. The important step in these reactions is the formation of a bond to electron deficient carbonyl carbon. The carbonyl group is most susceptible to attack by electron rich nucleophilic reagents, that is by bases. So the typical reaction given by carbonyl compounds is nucleophilic addition reaction. Reaction of carbonyl group with acids. This is the typical behavior of carbonyl group. The carbonyl group, when comes in contact with the acid, the proton will be taken up by the oxygen of carbonyl group. When the carbonyl group comes in contact with the bases are electron rich, so they will attack on electron deficient carbonyl carbon. The pair of electron will shift on oxygen. That is the typical behavior of forming a negatively charged oxygen as the product. Reactions involving carbonyl group. So here are the reactions. The first kind of reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Again, it is categorized into four types. Addition of HCN, that is cyanohydrin formation, is the product. Addition of alcohol, acetal is the product. Addition of Grignard's reagent, alcohol is the product. And addition of bisulfite. Second type of reaction of carbonyl group is addition elimination reaction. Only one reaction comes under it, that is addition of derivatives of ammonia. Number 3, hydride ion transfer, that involves four reactions: reduction in using lithium aluminum hydride, MPV reduction, opener oxidation, Cannizzaro reaction. Fourth, addition of carbanion, that involves four reactions: aldol condensation, reactions related to aldol, that is Perkins and Novingill, Wittig reaction, and Reformatsky reaction. Number 5, halogenation and haloform reaction, that involves halogenation of ketones. And last, other reaction, miscellaneous one, that includes reduction and oxidation. So this is overall categorization of reactions involving carbonyl group. Addition elimination reaction that we'll see in this presentation, that is addition of derivatives of ammonia. This is the general reaction of addition of derivative. This is ammonia derivative. Ammonia derivative means what? Ammonia, that is NH3. When one of the hydrogen of NH3 is replaced by certain group, that becomes the derivative of ammonia. For example, this group can be OH, NH2, NHC6H5, NHCOS, NH2. If the G group is OH, it will form NH2OH, that is hydroxylamine. NH2NH2 hydrazine. This is phenylhydrazine and this is semicarbazide. So these derivatives of ammonia, when they react with the carbonyl group, first they will form the reaction intermediate. You can see in the reaction intermediate a bond has been formed between the nitrogen of ammonia with the carbonyl carbon, that is this one, and the oxygen of carbonyl group is protonated first. Then further there is loss of hydrogen and OH of these two neighboring atoms, that is C and N, to form double bond between them, and loss of water molecule is there. So first addition will take place and then elimination of water molecule. That's why this reaction is called as addition elimination reaction. And here the products that will get are hydroxylamine will give oxime, hydrogen will give hydrazone, phenylhydrazine will give phenylhydrazone, semicarbazide will give semicarbazone. These are certain examples: aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. How do they react and give the respective products? The product contain a carbon nitrogen double bond resulting from elimination of molecule of water from the initial addition products. Some of these reagents and their products, here I have put forward some examples of reactions of these derivatives of ammonia with carbonyl group. Now let us understand the reaction mechanism. Here we can see carbonyl group is there. As I have already mentioned, this addition elimination reaction requires the acidic environment. So in presence of acid, the carbonyl group, the oxygen of the carbonyl group will be attacked by the proton to form OH. Then as this carbonyl carbon is electron deficient, the electron rich derivative of ammonia will attack on carbonyl carbon, and then pair of electron will shift on oxygen to form the reaction intermediate that has been explained. Further, the hydrogen of this nitrogen will leave the electron pair on nitrogen and it will be lost as H plus, and simultaneously there will be removal of OH group with this electron pair as OH minus. So this H plus and OH minus will combine together to form water molecule. So this is about the reaction of aldehyde and ketone, that is nucleophilic addition elimination reaction. Thank you so much.